This candle is such a cool concept. I've got the passion flower scent, which smells amazing. These are so neat. So what this candle does is you light it and it melts, and then the liquid becomes a massage oil. So I am going to show you how this works, and we're just going to start out by lighting it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit for a little bit until it melts, and then I will show you how cool this is. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. Okay, stay tuned. I want to take a minute and just say, if this video ends up being helpful for you and provides value, I would love it if you would hit the like button, and you can hit the subscribe button too, so that you don't miss any other cool product reviews of cool products like this. And I will also link this in the description down below for you, so you can grab one for yourself. Now, let's see how it works. This smells so good. It smells so good. I'm gonna blow it out. And there you can see, it's now a liquid, and I'm just gonna touch my finger to it. It is warm, but I'll show you, it's not waxy. See? Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, it smells divine. So yeah, that is so cool. It does have a little bit of a massage oil feel to it, so keep that in consideration. But if you're using it as massage oil, you know that it's gonna be massage oil. So yeah, this is, it's so divine. Okay, so hopefully you could see that. Does it give you a little bit of a shimmer? So anyway, I love this. I think you'll love it too. It's 2 products in 1.